Jesus! That's a big one though. Yeah, that's not a small fish. That felt like a snack.
Welcome to another video. Today we are out perch fishing. It's late February. Well, sorry, it's early February, and the fish is not active yet. We have ultralight setups, up to 2-3 gram rods, 10 leaders, small lures. The water in the river here is low. We're gonna check a few locations. There has been some action already, quite a few surprises, a lot of fun so far, but we are yet to catch perch. So without talking way too much, I'll get through the gear right now and let's get started. So today I'm using my Agido 5G, which is 6.8 feet long, and it's up to 3 gram. It says 0 to 3 gram. As you know, it's one of my favorite ultralight rods ever. Vanford 1000 0.2 P Unitika braided line and 1.2 kilogram Savage Gear leader. I'll be fishing jig heads from 1 gram up to 4 gram with it. Probably I won't even go as far as 4 gram because that rod doesn't love them too much. So I have two types of lures, worm-like lures, and I have paddle tails, and I have the fillet fish there in the middle as well. See what we want to go for. Probably use both. So anyway, it has been a lot of flooding lately, so I'm hoping the worm-like lures are going to trigger perch if there is any perch activity. Because the paddle tails attract pike, and that's normally something we don't want. Anyway, let's get started. Alrighty guys, starting today. There's a lot of pike in the place, so I'll start fishing with worm-like lures. There's Greg there. How many did you catch yet?
17.
17. That's nice, out of 2 casts. Alright, water is low.
Yep.
Wind is blowing, and that's it.
That's enough positive for today.
That's enough positivity for today. Pike? Well, do you want a leader? I have a metal leader. Alright, Greg has first fish. It's a pike. A bit through. So we are here for perch, but if pike is the way, I can have some fun. I have some micro wire traces, so I might check that out in a minute. But for now, alright, Greg hooked to a pike. There we go. Let's see. Oh, look how tiny the guy is. That's a perfect hook. Ooh. Like, do you feel powerful? Check out this bend. Huh?
See, he's tiny for the big rod, not for 1.5 gram rod.
Happy camper.
Yeah. Jesus.
But it's perfectly hooked in the scissor. Ooh.
Yeah. Come on. See, is the hook in the scissors and in the
bony mouth.
Come on. But it's not the same one. I don't think so. It's the same one with my previous hook. So there is more of them. Okay, no blind. Woo.
There we go. Now, enough filming. I'm one of the friends, you know, that records the videos, doesn't help their friend. So
Huh?
I'm one of those friends that likes to film, either beat up your friend, yeah? You just take your phone and you start filming.
And laugh when I lost it.
Alright. See, because it was flooded so badly here, I wonder if I switch to a red lure like Greg, Is that gonna make any difference? Because there were a lot of worms and stuff washed in the river. Let's go. Look at him again. Let me take out the phone. That's a smaller one, yeah? Yeah. So, today's video, we're filming Greg catching fish and me giggling like a girl.
But I felt these two teeth on the line.
Oh, look at that fish.
Is not the small one?
No? Oh, shit. Okay, let me reel in and go check him out. So feeling the teeth of the fish on the line is always good. I'm in a good position here to get smacked in the face by lure, yeah? Go on, Greg.
Another click on the teeth.
How many more seconds are we gonna last?
You know.
Can we see?
Maybe he's outside, you know. But
Now, I'll show you how to lose your phone in the river.
it's not the same one, but
No, no. Hey, 2 fish landed.
but I telling you, if you come here, try to catch them with a heavier equipment. No way, but
That's surgical precision.
now he spit the hook.
Oh, look, that's a... Is that a fungus or is that a cormorant? Or
I don't know.
that could be even a... What do you call that? Otter.
You see, but look.
Oh, that's a cormorant, yeah, yeah.
Right.
Cormorant.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so we have one each.
One each. How do you get there? You can hide here, is it?
Yeah.
I don't mind. Look, do you see him?
Very good. Maybe it was the same thing.
No, he just took it like I was pulling out of the water and he fucking beat it off.
Yeah, the one I lost was here. I hooked him on the middle of the thing and I lost him here.
But that was precision, like I didn't feel any tension. I just pulled my line out of the water and that's it.
Yeah.
Fucking cut like with scissors. Jesus. Okay, good time to change strategy. I think we're gonna go. I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm changing to metal trace. Changing to metal trace. So that's a 5-pound wire trace that I made myself. It's beautiful. Fish, you can't even see it. Oh man, come on. Fishing with a 3-gram rotten metal trace is what I love doing the most. Yeah, weird colors. Let's go for weird colors. Pink and yellow. I've seen fish here that color before. Look.
Let's go full rainbow flag.
Rainbow dash. How do you put your soft plastic lure on your hook just because there are 1 million videos like that before? At the start you can measure and mark the points.
We go YOLO, never measure.
Oh, remember, and then later you don't measure, you just butcher it. If it doesn't work, you rip it out, you put it back on, rip it out, put it back on, then you have a floppy fucking lure, shit on the hook. That comes off, but then you didn't measure, so it's fine. So yeah, at the start measure. Then when you have too many lures that you don't care or you're losing, don't never measure.
Never measure.
There we go.
Just go.
It's beautiful now.
Let's go.
Look at that catching fish. How the hell did... Ooh! He missed it. He hit it so viciously he missed it. I felt the fish dangling around my line more likely than hitting it. Oh yeah, in the mouth. What the hell is that? Oh, that's a Jesus. That's a big one though. Yeah, that's not a small fish. That felt like a snack. And I have a metal tray, so that's gonna be a long one. So I have 1 kilogram leader, metal trays to it. He doesn't know he's on the hook, it feels. Oh.
And I knew this was fish before you knew.
No, it was a snack.
You know, you look at me and I look at the tip and I was like that. Bent, hey, it was like that. Bent, not bent, bent. I was like, and then it was like, there was like another top and it was like, oh.
Yeah, that's a big fish and I have no control over that fish. He's just swimming here.
Very good. Huh?
I don't have any control. He's just doing whatever he wants. He's just not running. I might eat your net, by the way. I don't have a net. In 10 minutes, like. Oh my God, dude. That has to be like 80 centimeter pike or more. Yeah, that's a big pike. But it doesn't feel... Look at it. Dude, did you see it? It's like a meter pike. Go on, Ajido. Go on, Ajido. I need to be quiet. Go on, Ajido. Okay, that's like a good 80. Oh no. Why did I feel so big? That must be 80, yeah? 70, 75. Look at the leader in his mouth. Look at the leader. Jesus! Don't go anywhere, boy. Did you see how he has the leader? Like a dog. Oh my God.
You manage?
I think so, yeah. Let me get the fish to Greg for landing. We're gonna do soft landing. Jesus, bastard, can't fit in the net. Thank you. Oh, he's a heavy boy.
Yeah, fucking put him in the middle. Just put the rod.
He'll be safe here. Yeah. All right. He's a heavy boy. Look at him, fucking fat fish.
Cut the line for a moment. You'll attach the leader in a second.
Let me measure him real quick, just for the... He'll be okay. So... What do we have? Don't move, by. It's fine. Don't worry about it. I'll just measure you.
Okay, he's unhooked.
There we go. What's that? $75, $77. All right.
Okay, so it's good. He's unhooked. So
Easy?
yeah. Pop the.
It's the. See, it's the. Gee, that's a thick fish. All right. It's a good baby fish. Let me check your mouth. Nothing. All right. Not gonna arrest him. Bye bye.
Very good. Very good.
Nice. Thanks for landing. Look at him. Jesus, that was a heavy fucking fish for his size. Still there. Look at him. Oh, there we go. Shoot off. And that leader is banjaxed. Oh my God.
Perfect. It was good call to put this. Third cast, fourth cast.
With that one, second cast, maybe third cast.
Yeah.
All right. Let's watch the smelly slime.
Will be capacity of this landing net.
Capacity. The tail was like that.
First time today we have Greg fighting a perch. Ah, sorry, a pike. How is the fight going? Oh!
No, but today, now is better. I have a heavier rod, 2.5 grams.
Now on the heavy setup, 2.5 gram rod. And oh, that's a faster rod as well. I can see it's bending only the first 1/3. There we go. Oh, look at him coming with the mouth open. He wants more. That's like an American action movie. Oh, did you see that? He's a fighter. Come on, another tail walk. Another tail walk. Go.
At this moment, I thought that I have a salmon.
Well, you do an ugly one. Hey, 3-1. Now I must give it to you. You're landing them on a fluorocarbon.
No, normal mono.
Is it just mono? Oh, well, yeah. Śmierdzi. Greg just caught a little pike, as you've seen from the video. So let's see if we can do it. Yeah, and I have no net again. I knew. I look at that place and I was like, how come I never casted there yet? Is that a rock?
Huh?
Is that another? Is that a bag of potatoes? Woo-hoo-hoo! Trout?
No.
Trout.
Is it?
I think it's a trout or salmon.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's pike. It's pike. It's pike. No, I saw just its back. Ah, come on, you moron. Look at that fish. Oh, okay. No, bye. Hold on. Jesus, look at that guy. No, where you going? Come back, like. Oh my God. Yeah!
Good that we don't go for size today. If you win.
Yeah, with 2 fish.
This is why I go for numbers.
Yeah, it's always nicer to go to, you know, go for the secure thing.
Come on, show me.
Oh, that's a mean picture. 1 second there. There's the baby. Ah.
Baby, okay.
Sorted. Give me back my lure. Jesus. Here's some sharp. Jeez, that guy. No. Stay here. Stay here. Fuck. Come on, boy. What the hell? Oh, he's back. How stupid was that? Yoo-hoo-hoo. Jesus.
Now you can count it as a third one.
That's a second. Yeah, that's my second. Oh, he's back. Oh no, he destroyed my leader. Oh man. No. Come back. That's not happening. Don't be laughing. That's not funny.
Yeah,
But did you see what he did?
yeah, swallow deeper.
hell, like.
Anything like that.
No, no, I get it. Come on, you pony guy. Jesus Christ, like, and then look at him, he bit through at the end. And I caught him. Hey guys, if you watched the video this far, that means you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, there is a buy me a coffee link in the description if you want to support me. All the money we make in the buy me a coffee donation channel, we are going to put back in the channel. We're gonna be donating lures, maybe finding kids that need stuff. We're gonna be giving them Christmas presents and stuff. So yeah, if you feel like it, go and support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time.